Hi, I'm making this video about Zoro tools and ENGEL fridge. Well, I got this in the mail, and here's the line right here. If you can see that, I think that's a 24 volt. We'll get to that information on the PDF. And this is, the reason I say that, it says it's 12 volts only. But they recommend 12 gauge for the Japanese version of it, and we'll get to that now. Let's see if I can X out of this screen. Now this is Zoro Tools, and here are the 909 Ashbury Road, Buffalo Grove, Illinois. So let's see. Oh, I had their name somewhere else, but anyway, so X out of here, X off this one, okay, here's the box, the way it came, and let's move this one over, you can see it right there. And you see there's no damage to the box, but the packing's in there. It's bubble pack. It's a little bit different. And that cardboard's really stiff and hard, and it was packed in there. So you can see there's no damage to the box there. But I have an idea that it slipped, because you see there's no upside down. So anyway, we'll need that. So now here's the cooler right here. You can see the damage right here on the left side, right there, and right there. So, and that warning on the bottom is the foam. So here you can see the damage. And there's a blip in the frame, so it looked like a top impactor upside down. And here's the invoice. And here's the diagram of the motor. Interesting, Saw Fuji, made in Japan. And here are the addresses of the corporation. And here's how you install it. And notice there's a capacitor, and there's also a twisted line, the heavy twisted line. But if you look down here, see if I'll scroll down here, right there, you see that the 16 gauge wire is for 24 volt on the right, and 14 gauge wire is for the 12 volt and 12. So SWG is a different terminology than the AWG, and we're talking about AWG as seen on the. So that's it.